Well, it's cold and rainy today and everybody's inside staring at their phones, so I'm gonna play with this. I tried to cut a spoon out earlier, but the end broke. I did my stress test on it. This is one of the trees that fell in our yard. I don't know, I kinda wanna make a spoon, but it's really thick. I'm gonna use this as a template. It's very thin. I guess I'll make a really thick spoon. Yeah, I've got a feeling this probably isn't gonna work, but it's worth a try, right? Gonna go right through that knot hole. Ah, screw it. Man, I've really got to get a bandsaw. But this is going to be real pretty. And I got to figure out how to cut it in half. Well, I was going to saw it on the table saw, but it kind of scared me. So we're going to try this. Here we go. Got this beautiful, nicely straight cut piece of oak. And I've got this. I don't know what it's called, but I got it for cheap off Amazon. There we go. Just kind of half-assed draw. Alright, here goes nothing. Never used this before. I am sure what's gonna happen. Wish me luck. Well, that went about as well as I thought it would. But luckily I have two. Alright. So we made it. A little bit. Kind of looks like a spoon. Now what? Not very sturdy. Oh yeah. So I bought this really expensive piece of wood, which I don't even remember what it's called now. It's the right dimensions. And I haven't done anything with it. Yeah, so I'm just gonna use this same wooden spoon. Except for this time, I'm gonna be a little smarter. Now that I have a big piece of wood, I can clamp this whole thing down. And then gouge it out and then cut it out. And then I won't have the problem of it snapping on me, hopefully. Just kind of drawing a reference. This gouge is pretty interesting. Not 100% sure how to use it, if you gotta use it that way or this way. But hell, whatever. That's definitely the key. Not breaking the wood is to have a big piece. Man, what color even is this? It's like orange. It's pretty. Okay, I think I'm getting too carried away at this point. That'll work. Not even kidding, this smells like Grandpa's pipe tobacco. That was weird. I forgot what this is called. It wasn't cheap. One of these days I'll get a bandsaw. Man, it's beautiful. And it does smell like pipe tobacco. I feel like my nose is red now. Okay, now we gotta figure out how to sand this thing. I feel like the shape of this has got to go up and then back down. I feel like I need to cut that out and maybe like point this side back up. I don't know, I've never made a spoon. Come down like that. That looks like a spoon. That doesn't seem right. You know what, screw it. I'm just gonna take this to the big belt sander and, I don't know, wiggle it around until I get a shape. So yeah, I've never made a spoon before. My first attempt was with oak. It's the tree that had fallen down. I think I could have done it if I would have cut this first. I bought this off Amazon. I think it was like 20 bucks. It actually worked pretty dang good. Ended up using this, which I think is called the African Padauk. Probably wrong. Anyhow, I bought it locally here. It's about $100 for 10 feet of it. So, what does that come out? A board foot? I don't know. Anyway, so this spoon is probably $20 worth of wood. But anyway, I've never made a spoon before. I really like the way it's jagged. with the sander, and then I just sanded it really smooth. So it's like you always just kind of want to touch it everywhere. It's so smooth, and it's beautiful. I want to make some more little things, you know, gifts. Or thinking about making my daughter a heart because she loves hearts, and this is the perfect color. You got any ideas? Drop them in the comments. This, like I said, this wood is expensive, but it was super easy to work with. I don't even know what this is made out of. I think I got it at Dollar General when I was single, and when I got my first apartment, and I still have it. But I'm gonna go cook something with this. I don't know what. Oh man, what should I cook? Yeah, this stuff makes a mess. That's what I have left. What should I make? Also, the bowl in the previous video, if you watched it, it's cracking even worse. And it's dry. No, it's not dry. It's not, just kidding. It's not dry. Wow.